Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Corcoran, president of the Work Threat Group. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our MBA program, and hopefully you look into our pages and our website and see what it's all about. Basically, it stands for Mindful Behavior Appreciation. We all know this mindful stuff, everybody thinking that it's learning to meditate and all that. And that it could be part of it. But basically, mindful means being aware of yourself, your feelings, your surroundings, and others around you. Behavior, of course, obviously we're watching human behavior all the time. Human resources and supervisors need to do that. And appreciation. We need to show people appreciation, not just reward structures. We're showing research that that's not working so well. You have to really show how you can be appreciative of these people. So we put it together, mindful behavior appreciation, and therefore your organization can get an MBA, and that's what the MBA stands for. Please review our website and the information, more information on it. We really think that it's the best way of going in and doing a complete package. It gets rid of all the harassment, incivility, workplace violence potentials, all those things. And we'll be glad to help you and take care of it and do that for your organization. So any questions, please give us a call or email us. And thanks for listening.